everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this adorable heart corner bookmark. It's quick, easy, and perfect for keeping your pages cute. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started! So first thing first, let's start with a slip knot. Now we need to chain a total of 19. That's 15 chain for the base and 4 extra chains which will count as the first double crochet. Now skip 6 chain and do a double crochet on the 7th chain and chain 1. Now chain 4 and turn your work. Now insert the hook on the double crochet stitch and make a double crochet pair. Continue this process until you reach row 6. Once you have completed up to round 6, you will notice there are 6 spaces on one side and 7 on the other. Now bring up the side where you have 6 space. Insert the hook on the chain of the 3rd space. Make a slip knot and chain 5. Now Make a slip knot on the chain of the next space. Here you have to make chain 3 and make a slip knot on the double crochet stitch. Once you're done with your double crochet stitch, turn your work and do a double crochet on that big space. In total, you have to do 12 double crochets. I'm gonna meet you back when I'm finished with my 12 double crochet. Here I'm done with my 12 double crochet. Now slip stitch on that double crochet stitch. Now make 3 chain and you have to do a slip knot. Here 1, 2. In the second stitch, make a slip knot. Here chain 1 and turn your work. Now do a double crochet on the double crochet stitch. Chain 1 and do a double crochet stitch on the next double crochet stitch. You have to continue this process until you reach the end. And in total, you have to do 11 double crochet stitch. Here I'm done with my 11 double crochet stitch. Lastly, you have to make a slip knot. And now for the ribbing, I'm switching to a smaller hook. Here, chain 3 and make a single crochet on the double crochet stitch. Again, chain 3 and make a single crochet on the next double crochet stitch. You have to continue this process until you reach the end. When you reach the end, make a slip knot and cut off the yarn. And it's done. Now it's time for the other part. It's exactly the same, just the starting point is slightly different. Insert your hook into the double crochet on the right side of the fourth space and make a slip stitch. In the next double crochet stitch, make a slip knot again. After making 3 chain, insert your hook on the next chain space and make a slip knot. Now turn your work and do 12 double crochets like the previous one. Once you're done with your 12 double crochet, make a slip stitch on the next space chain. Chain 3 and make a slip knot in the corner. Now chain 1 and do double crochet until you reach the end. Lastly, do a slip knot in the end. Now do the ribbing part the same as before. Next, we are going to join the sides by working the ribbing. Make sure you are joining the right sides. One side has 7 spaces and the other has 6. We are going to align and join them together carefully. Repeat the same ribbing method. Start by inserting your hook at the point where you ended the previous ribbing of the both piece and make a slip stitch. Now repeat the ribbing on the other side just like before. In the end, make a single crochet and cut off the yarn. And we are done. Your cute little heart corner bookmark is ready. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. This was my very first tutorial, so it really means a lot. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet fun. See you soon with another cozy little creation.